So once you have written your code in drone blocks, I'm going to do a very small code right here. So I'm done writing my code in drone blocks. I want to go turn on my drone sitting right next to my computer. I want to go down to the right-hand corner and I want to connect to the internet, and I'm going to search for my drone, and there it is. Give it a second to connect. So you're watching it go through connected. And I know in a minute it's going to say not connected, but that's okay. So just let it run through the Wi-Fi process. Okay, it's fine. Now I'm going to go out of the network. I'm going to go back to drone blocks. And I'm going to wait a minute. I'm going to connect to Tello drone in the right and just hit connect. And give it a minute, and you should see Tello up here, and then I should be able to fly my mission. You have to let it roll through that process in order for everything to connect, and then you should be able to launch your mission. And my drone is taken off and is running through. You can hear it in the background. It'll be pretty quick. But you just have to give it a second to make sure that Tello is connected up in the right-hand corner and go through that exact internet process. I had to abort it to land it. But again, write the program, connect to the Tello drone in the right-hand corner, then go up and connect to Tello here, and don't fly the mission until you see that Tello pop up here. It's just running through that internet process. So give it a second to do that, and it should fly.